Merry Christmas. Today's Christmas Day, and can you tell what my best gift was? Can you tell? Can you tell? I got a new camera. Do you see this quality? So I figured, what better way to kick off a good quality camera with a get ready with me. So usually I go upstate Christmas, but my aunt was not feeling too good. So Christmas at my house. Christmas is at my house now. Okay. I already did my skincare. So let's just get into it. So not even gonna lie, but my skin's been struggling a bit. I'm so dry over here, but like it doesn't feel it without makeup on, but once I put makeup on, it like separates over here. It's very annoying. So truly I have no idea how to fix this. Yeah, so I think I just need to maybe use a heavier foundation. Sure, let's go with that. Well, I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. The Radiant Creamy Concealer. Yep, that's what I'm using. Excuse me. Shh. This is the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. Fire. So good. Just did a few pumps on a nice little beauty blend. I'm just gonna beat it. It's actually a little, this might be a little light. I'm gonna use, this is Patagonia. Patagonia. The other one was Mont Blanc. I don't know if I said that. I definitely didn't. So I'm just gonna add that in. This foundation's nice because it's like medium to full coverage. Like you could definitely build on it, but also like a little bit does go a long way. So it's nice. This spot, like right under your chin and the tip of your nose, is a very neglected spot. So don't forget to hit there because most of the time you will not have foundation there, promise. Okay, my mom got me this concealer for Christmas. I don't even know how good it's gonna be. It might even be too light, but we'll see. It's Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna just put a little, less is more. Oh, this concealer is not too shab. It's definitely light, but whatever. It's not that bad actually. Wow, it's really good. Wow, that's really nice. I'm very impressed. I'm pretty sure, I know this brand is at Ulta, but I think it's like drugstore like price. Makeup Revolution. I feel like I need to balance this and do like the center of my face too. Very little. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Do over here too. Why not? This is how you get carried away. Wow, I am so impressed with this concealer. Holy moly. It's really, really nice. It's very like smooth. Wow, I'm so impressed. Go mom. So I'm gonna bake under my eyes with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent. And this is a Sigma Soft Blend Concealer brush. I like this shape. I feel like it's perfect for like right under the eyes. But make sure you're not creased before you bake. It's actually really funny how my mom picked out these products for me for Christmas. She got me a few makeup products. I didn't really ask for anything because I have so much and I'm just like always buying myself stuff. So it's like, what can I possibly ask for? So my first video, my everyday makeup tutorial, she said it's actually really cute. She said she watched it and she would like pause the video and write down the products I was using. But it's funny because, how do I word this? All the products she got me, there's only one of them that I actually used in the video. Like I have no idea where she like came up with like, oh, let me give an example. So in that video, I used the Milk Cream Bronzer, right? So I was saying like, oh, I love it, like gassing it hard. So she's like, I paused it and I tried to get you like the products that you know you're using that cream one, you loved it so much, whatever. That's what she gets me. This is a Magic Beauty Balm Stick. This is like, I don't even know, it adds like radiance. You can use it on your cuticles. It's like a hydrating, like, I don't know, it's nice. Like, I'm into it, but it's just funny because she thought she got me what I was using, but like not even close. And it was with like all the products she got me. So it was cute that she was pausing it and trying to figure out what to get me through my own video. But also, I linked everything in the description, but that's my little story. Okay, time for brows. So I don't like to set my whole face. I actually will just do like T-zone. I just foam powder into my eyeball. So I'm just gonna fill my brows. Oh, my eyeball, that really hurt. This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. Very, very light in the front. I don't really do too much to my brows. I don't really need it. I feel like if you just fill in the sparse areas and you're not like overdrawing. I mean, if you need to overdraw, like if you don't have any eyebrows, you need to like fully draw an eyebrow, that's fine. Like if you have brows, like just follow your natural hair and you're good to go, girl. This is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, my fave. I'm gonna do a little contour bronzing action. This is the Park Ave Princess palette by Tarte. It's really, really nice. Just all contour shades. And then I think it has like under eye powders. I think those two are, I'm not sure. My sister got this for Christmas last year and
never touched it.
Actually, this was 2 years ago and I was like, can I just have it? And finally she gave it to me. So this is like my first time using it. I think I'm gonna use this shade, Princess Cut. It's just like a Sephora brush. So in January, I don't think I mentioned this at all, but I'm going to Arizona with 2 of my best friends. I am so excited. Gonna get some great content. See the Grand Canyon, do a bunch of hikes. We're big hiking girls, so it'll be fun. I'm really excited to just like get the fuck out of here, you know? A little change of scenery. We're staying in Sedona. We're going for 5 days. Well, 5 full days. We'll actually be there for 6. But with travel, I cut out the last day because we leave really early. But I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Got a little Airbnb. Definitely gonna be vlogging, especially with my new camera. Ooh. Everything's gonna look amazing. Wow, this palette's so nice. I'm doing this new thing where I kind of place my bronzer like not in my cheekbone, which would be here. I place it above, like here, and blend it because I feel like it just like lifts a little nicer instead of having your contour like all the way down here. It's more like up here. And I'll do the same with my blush. And then I'm gonna use that same color and put it in my crease a little bit just to warm it up. It doesn't even feel like Christmas. Like it's really, really weird. Like, even this morning, like opening gifts, I was like, this doesn't even feel like Christmas. Like this feels fake. I don't know what it was, it just was weird. I'm just blending out this bake. All right, moving on. Mom also got me this, which I did not use in my video, but close, I did use a MAC blush. This is in the shade Gingerly. Real Techniques has great brushes, super affordable too. So my blush, I'm just gonna put it on top of my bronzer basically. Ooh, this blush is so nice. I like to like press my blush in. I don't know, it's this new thing I'm doing. Bring it up here a little. Best part, the most amazing product in the entire universe. This Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Wand. It's this little dome applicator. And you just like squeeze it and more product comes out. And I just put it right here. This too, like a little goes a long way. But it's so nice, it's fucking cold. Put on my nose and I like a little on my forehead. Depending on what mood I'm in, I'll do a beauty blender, I'll do my finger, or I'll use this struggling a lot today. I'll use this Morphe brush. I really like it. It's like a little mini stippling. And I'll just kind of blend it like down into my blush a little. And then I'll use my finger and like warm it up in there. I'm so upset like I didn't discover this sooner. This is gonna be so nice in the summer with a tan. I think they have a more like golden one. This one's more of like a champagne highlight, but I feel like the golden one would be really nice in the summer. All bronzed up with that, like no makeup with that on. Fuck. I'm gonna take my blush brush and just like parse over it so it'll blends seamlessly. I recently got this setting spray. It's the Milk Hydro Grip. It's good. You just have to shake it. I'm just gonna spray this before I do mascara. Mascara, my fave, Lancome Monsieur. I got a lash lift and tint. Best thing in the world. Like you can see my lashes are, well, I just put a little mascara here, but I don't even have to put a lot on. But my lashes look so good with mascara on. Oh my God, my family is so loud. I washed and blew out my hair, curled it yesterday. It's a little touch up. I'm gonna use some dry shampoo, my IGK charcoal detox. Just a little refreshment. I use this Hot Tools curling iron. I think this is like one and a half. Let's go with that. No, this doesn't look like 1.5. Might be an inch, actually. All right, cue the time lapse. So my whole head's curled. I'm not leaving it this way. I'm just gonna run my fingers through, and it just leaves you with this like perfect little curls. I like this like beachy look. That's why I like to keep out the ends. I feel like it makes it more wavy. I usually will put in this Amika Undone Volume Texture Spray. I like this because it doesn't leave it like crunchy at all, which is really, really good. It's not like a hairspray. I'm not putting on any lipstick because I'm literally gonna be eating for probably the next 6 hours. So I'm just gonna do a little Summer Fridays lip balm. So good. So there we have it. Just a quick little makeup. Let's do a little OOTD, shall we? I don't really like my outfit today. I was gonna wear something else, but I'm just home, so I'm kind of just like doing whatever. I just have this sweater on. I think it's from Forever 21. And then these jeans are Zara. And that's it. That's really it today. It's cute though. It's like orange, red. I think it's blue and white. And here's my new cam. Woo! So there we have it. The outfit of the day. I'm gonna go stuff my face a little. I'll show you around. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. I will see ya next time. Okay, bye. Aw, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
How long I've been keeping track of when I've been naughty and nice. And from what
Pomegranate juice.
I don't like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
You don't like it?
No.
Okay.
Oh my God.
oh, there's Santa Claus and my records agree.